Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how I transform this little bit of hair into these beautiful distressed locks. So grab your notes, let's get started. First, I picked up 4 packs of these Freetress Braid Rebel Distress Locks in 12 inches. This is the price for each pack. I think there were about 16 locks in each pack. I got 3 packs in this color too, and I got 1 pack in this color here so that I could have some highlights. To wrap the locks, I got 1 pack of the Springy Afro Twist by Outre. You don't even need a lot. I might have used half the pack. Got my crochet hook and my comb for parting, my braid lock glaze, and of course, because my hair is so short, gotta have my rubber bands. First thing I'm gonna do is blow out my short hair. I actually grew it out for the summer so that I could wear locks and braids because y'all know I don't have a relaxer. So keeping up a natural pixie in this hot Texas heat is just impossible. But I do plan on cutting my hair back down when the weather gets colder. I went ahead and sectioned off the perimeter of my head. I'm going to leave these pieces out because I don't want any tension. Now with the rubber bands, I never tie them too tight, only 4 or 5 rotations, and then I slide them down about a ½ inch so that I have enough give when I actually go to install the locks. For the back, I could have did it myself, but there were quite a few hands roaming around our house that day, so I enlisted the help of my oldest stepdaughter, and she hooked me up real good. Not too bad. It was only free parting, so not too difficult. If y'all ever catch me in the streets looking like this, please contact my husband. And I think this is the 2 packs already installed. Let me show you how I did it. So first I put the lock on the crochet hook like this, and then I take a very small piece of the wrapping hair and I pull it through the loop of the lock. This is going to extend the lock, and that way all I have to do is insert it at the base. You see how I'm doing right here? Insert it at the base, and then I can use it to extend the lock longer if I need to, or I can just start wrapping at the root where I need to. So now I can just start wrapping. I do this method all the time because it is the fastest way to install the hair. So I typically will try to prep all of the locks with the hair already attached to it. That way all I got to do is just grab them, insert them, and start wrapping. And because my hair is so short, I can get through this a whole lot faster. I think this might have taken me an hour. If I'm wrapping down the lock and I run into a boho piece, I just pull it out of the way and continue wrapping. I never use glue or any magic tricks to seal off the ends because the hair is so kinky and coily. If you wrap in the right direction and use very small pieces, you will not have any issues with it coming undone. I also chose the distressed locks because my hair is so short. The ends are blunt and they tend to stick out, so this was a good way to camouflage that if they ever did come loose. I was also very careful to start wrapping a little loosely at the base because I did not want this to be tight at all. I cannot stand when my hair is too tight because your girl got to sleep. People also tend to make the mistake of using too much wrapping hair, which causes a lot of bulkiness at the root. When I tell you I only used about half of that pack of hair and I had about 60 something locks in my head, that's how much you need to divide it up by. It's very tiny amount of hair because when I pull it through the loop of that lock, I'm still folding it over and that's going to double the width of it. So I hope that makes sense. For finishing touches, to soften up the locks and to set my hair, I went in with my setting foam. And I went ahead and styled the perimeter that I left out. This is what I ended up doing the entirety of the style. And I really liked the way it looked. It added to the messiness of the look. And here is the final look. It actually came out much cuter than I expected. But let me tell y'all, don't be mad at me. I only kept these in for like a week. Why? Because now I'm a pixie girly. I am so used to not having hair on my head, and these just ended up being way heavier than I had liked them to be. So I actually took these out, used the same foundation, and installed a lighter set of locks. Would I still recommend? Absolutely. It's quick, easy, affordable, and can last you up to a smooth 3 months for sure. Well, that's it for today's video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up on your way out. Click that subscribe button for more content just like this, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.